In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content calendar in ClickUp. This process will guide you through setting up an organized way to manage your content planning efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to ClickUp. Ensure you're logged into your account and you'll be directed to your dashboard, giving you access to all your projects and tasks. ClickUp is a great tool for keeping everything centralized and can be particularly handy for managing content pipelines. Next, head over to the Spaces section on the left sidebar of your screen. Here, you will see a plus sign, plus, that allows you to add a new space. Spaces in ClickUp are like overarching categories or folders for organizing different projects or workflows. So, if you don't have a dedicated space for your content management, now is the time to create one. Now, after setting up your new space, click on the option Use Templates. Utilizing templates can save you a significant amount of time and ensure consistency in your process. Templates are pre-built frameworks that you can customize to fit your needs. They often include task lists, views, and custom fields, ensuring you don't forget the essentials. Next, it's important to check everything within these templates. This means reviewing the template components and adjusting them according to your specific needs. Make sure all sections and custom fields are applicable to your content strategy. Tweaking these settings ensures that the template aligns perfectly with your workflow. Proceed to the search feature and type in Content Calendar. This will bring up templates related to content planning, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your workflow. Click on the appropriate template to open it up. Once you've selected the template, click on the option Use Template. At this point, you can begin customizing it further. Customization might involve changing task names, setting due dates, or assigning team members to specific tasks. It's all about making the template work best for your team. You're now ready to type in the name for your content calendar. This name should be descriptive enough to instantly inform any teammates what the calendar pertains to, such as QQ Content Plan or 2023 blog schedule. After naming your calendar, you need to choose where this new content calendar will be located. Click on Select Location and choose the space you created earlier or any other suitable area where you and your team can easily access it. Finally, with everything set up, click on Use Template to finalize the creation of your content calendar. Upon completion, your new content calendar will be integrated into your ClickUp environment, ready for you and your team to start managing your content tasks seamlessly. And there you have it, your content calendar in ClickUp is now ready to use. Remember, it's a dynamic tool, so feel free to modify it as your needs evolve. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.